Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can comment on TikTok using your voice note. You'll be able to comment on TikTok videos that you watch on TikTok using voice note. So guys, if you want to know how to do this, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before I go ahead now to show you guys how you can actually comment on TikTok using the voice note, let me go ahead now to show you guys the videos that I saw on TikTok. People are actually talking about this TikTok voice note and how they are actually using it to comment on TikTok. Let me first of all play this first video. You can see this video. This is a lady.
Okay, so guys, I actually don't know why people are finding it so difficult to use the voice note on TikTok.
Then here's the second video from a guy.
TikTok voice note, guys, yo. So finally we get to send people voice notes here on TikTok. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, I posted a video some minutes ago only for me to see people dropping voice note for me in the comment section.
Then over to the third lady. Is also from a lady. Let's get to hear her.
If you don't have TikTok voice notes, go and update your TikTok app. If I delete that TikTok and download another one. You're on TikTok, you don't have TikTok voice notes. What are you waiting for? See the voice note on the screen.
Then lastly, to this young man, let's get to hear what he's going to say.
Why haven't you dropped a voice note? Like, are you not seeing? Are you not seeing?
So guys, now you can see this is actually trending on TikTok. People are actually looking for a way to actually use this feature, use this voice note feature to comment on TikTok videos. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can do it. So guys, the first step you have to take is to go over to your TikTok app. So let me tap on my TikTok app to open my TikTok. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now my TikTok is opening. So guys, now I can see I'm on my TikTok. So guys, let me get to comment on this video now using the voice note. So for you to do that, you have to tap on the comment icon. You can see there on the right hand side the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, this is where you're going to find all the comments under this video. You can see this video has over 10,000 comments. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, normally on TikTok, if you want to comment on TikTok videos, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written add comment. You can see it down there below. So let me tap on it. So guys, want to comment on this video using voice note, what you have to do is to look out for the voice note feature, the voice note or the audio feature. So guys, now if you look on the right hand side, you're going to see that we have three features there. That's the art feature in order to tag someone. Then the second feature there is the emoji feature. If you want to use the TikTok emojis. Then the last feature there is the gift feature. That's what you use to support your favorite content creator on TikTok by giving them coins and the rest, those TikTok coins. So guys, now that being said, you're going to see that there is no audio feature here. There is no audio option. There is no voice recording option here. The only voice recording option that you're going to see there is on my phone's keyboard, the keyboard of my phone. You're going to see the voice recording there. You can see that voice recording option, the voice recording feature. The arrow is pointing at it. But that audio feature or that voice recording feature is not for recording voice. It's not for recording audio. Is for converting your voice to text. If you use that feature, your voice will be converted to text. Whatever you say will be converted to text. That is not a voice recording feature. You can't record your voice. You can't send audio using that feature. So guys, let me show you guys what I mean. Let me tap on it now to say something. These children are good dancers. So guys, now you can see that my voice now has been converted to text. With that text now, I can now comment on this video. So guys, now you can see that that microphone icon or the voice note icon on my keyboard is not for voice recording. It's actually for you to convert your voice to text. So guys, with all I've showed you, you can see that the voice note feature, the voice recording feature is not here in my TikTok. I can't comment on TikTok videos using voice note. But guys, you don't need to bother about that because there is a way to actually get this voice note feature. Because from the videos that I watch, on TikTok, they gave me some tips that you can actually do for you to actually get this your voice note feature turned on. So guys, now the first tip is actually to update your TikTok app. So if you're using the outdated version of TikTok, you're not going to find the voice note, the voice recording feature on your TikTok account. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can update your TikTok app right away. So guys, now over to the second tip. The second tip is actually to report the problem of not having the voice note feature, of not having the voice recording feature. So guys, if you don't have that voice recording feature that enables people to actually comment on videos using voice note, what you have to do is to report the problem to TikTok. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can report this problem on TikTok so that TikTok will be able to turn on the voice note feature that will enable you to comment on videos using voice notes. So guys, all these are actually easy to do, the updating of TikTok app and also reporting the problem to TikTok support team, TikTok help team. So guys, now let me start with the first tip. Let me go over to my Play Store now to actually show you guys how you can update your TikTok app. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store. That's if you're using an Android device. But if you're using an iPhone device or an iOS device, what you have to do is to go over to your App Store. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on my Play Store. So guys, now you can see my Play Store is opening. So guys, once your Play Store opens up, what you have to do is to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step to take now is to type in TikTok. Type in TikTok app. So let me type it now. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on search. You can see it down there. So let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the TikTok app right there. You can see it. So let me tap on it so you're going to see it clearly. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my TikTok app is actually outdated. So I need to update this app. You can see where it is written update. For me to actually update this app, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written update. So once I tap on update, it's going to start downloading. Then after the downloading is up to 100%, it's going to start installing automatically. So guys, now let me tap on update so you can start downloading and installing. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 100%. As you can see now, it has started installing. So let's just wait for a few seconds like I said. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to update my TikTok app. So let me go over to my TikTok account to see if the voice note feature is now available. To see if I can actually comment on TikTok videos now using the voice note, using the voice recording. So guys, let me tap on open now to open my TikTok app. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see my TikTok app is opening again. This is the updated version. So let's see if what they are saying is actually true. If you can actually use the voice note on TikTok to comment on TikTok videos. So guys, now you can see I'm on my TikTok again. This is another TikTok video. So let me see if I can comment on this TikTok video using the voice note feature. So what I have to do now is to tap on the comment section again. You can see the comment icon. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see this video has over 1000 comments. So guys, now let me tap on the comment section. Let me tap on add comment to see if I can comment with that voice note. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see that the voice note feature is not here, despite the fact that I had to update my TikTok app just now. So guys, now you can see you can't actually use the voice note feature here. It's not available here, even in the updated TikTok app. So guys, now you can see that updating your TikTok app in your Play Store or your App Store will not actually make the voice note feature to actually appear on your TikTok. So it doesn't matter if you're using the updated version of TikTok or not, you will not be able to find the voiceover or the voice recording feature. So guys, now let me go over to the second tip, which is actually reporting a problem. So we're going to be reporting a problem of not being able to comment on TikTok videos using voice note. We're going to tell TikTok that we don't have the voiceover or the voice recording effect, which enables people to comment on TikTok videos using voiceover or using voice note. So guys, now for you to do that, what you have to do now is to go back. Let me go back to the home page of my TikTok account. So guys, now you can see this is the home page. What you have to do next now in order to report the problem is to tap on your TikTok profile. You can see there at the bottom right corner, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you need to take now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the settings and privacy option. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward. Let me scroll down. So what you have to do next now is to tap on where it is written report a problem. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. They're asking you a question, facing a problem. Yes, we are actually facing a problem of not having the voice note or the voice recording feature. So guys, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. So guys, now after scrolling down, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written chat with us. You can see it down there. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to chat with TikTok customer service. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see what is written here, TikTok help desk. So this is where people get help concerning all their TikTok problems. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where it is written send a message. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, the message you have to type in and send to TikTok is, I don't have the voice note or the voice recording feature which enable people to comment on TikTok videos using voice note. So guys, let me type it in right away. Let me type it real quick. I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, now you can see I've typed it in. Let me read out what I've written. I don't have voice note feature that enables people to comment on TikTok videos using voice recordings or voice notes. Please activate my voice note or voice recording feature. So guys, now you can see what you have to do now is to send it. So let me tap on send on the right hand side. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I've sent the message. You can now see what is written there. They say, share with us details on what you need help with. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So guys, this is what you can use to further explain your problem. You can tap on submit a ticket. Let me tap on it to show you guys. So guys, now you can see what is written here. They said, describe what you need help with. For your safety, do not include personal information. So guys, now you can see you can go ahead to make screenshot of your comment section, the place that they do make comment. You can make a screenshot of that comment section where you normally comment, showing them that you don't have the voice note feature, you don't have the recording feature on your TikTok, which enable people to actually comment on TikTok videos. So guys, to upload the screenshot, what they have to do is to tap on the photo icon there on the left hand side. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to submit it. So guys, let me do that right away. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has directed me to my gallery. So let me choose the screenshot. So guys, I've selected the screenshot. So guys, now you can see the screenshot has been selected. So what you have to do now is to submit. So let me submit. So guys, like they said, they will get back to us as soon as they can. So guys, let me wait for a while. So guys, after waiting for a while and getting a reply from TikTok, I still can't be able to get this voiceover activated in my TikTok account. So guys, you can't actually use the voiceover or the voice note in commenting on TikTok videos. So guys, the person is making videos on social media telling people that they can actually use voice recording or voice note to comment on TikTok videos or reply to messages on TikTok. They're actually doing those videos to increase their engagement, to increase their likes and comments on their videos. It's not actually possible for you to actually use voice notes to comment on TikTok or to reply to comments on TikTok. So guys, I've been able now to show you guys that it's not possible. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.